Hey guys, James Boat Build. So I've been at it for the last couple of weeks. I hadn't put out a video, it seems like, and I thought now was the time to do so. Okay, other than my family members, you're the first ones to see this, what it's gonna be looking like. I got the window frames and the roof on the cabin, and I've got some little bit of patchwork I've been doing, minor defects that need to be addressed, and this is what the boat looks like, guys, or gonna look like. You can see here on the starboard side, there's going to be a lot of woodwork to be filled in, but this is the design of my windows, and I went with what I've got, which is almost similar to what the plans are. And these windows that I purchased are the same as the Parker Pilot House boat. I think the 25 foot. I was able to get them through Great Lake Skippers up there in Michigan, and I got them on a good deal, good sale during the holidays. The little bling bling here in the front still needs more work. I've only got a few coats of varnish on there, and I've been using the semi-gloss, and then I gotta go over it with gloss to give it real pop. I still have the bumper guards to put in by Taco, and obviously I got some more mending and sanding to do. But I just wanted to get these window frames up here for my visualization and for yours. I figured, hey, if I got them up, I gotta take a video of it. And then obviously I gotta put my last coat of hull paint on the sides, and I'm really kind of hesitant about doing that. I want to get it done quickly, but before the love bugs come in season, and it's just I if I do it now and I start pushing it in and out of the garage and it gets scratched up, I'll just have to kill myself. Now here's up on the deck. This will obviously be the co-pilot, and this will be the helm, the gauge and steering wheels. A control panel will be there. I'll have to make that up, and there'll be storage cabinets and basically a plywood box to lift the pedestal seat and the seat up. One thing I've noticed, this is very comfortable stepping down to here. It's a very little step, but this step is kind of big. And if I leave it like this, I might end up just, doing a little bit of tripping. So I think I'm going to make a platform for that. And I think it'll work out good, because this little step is just fine. But the other one, it just almost feels uncomfortable. Here's inside the bunk area, and I made all these hatches up, and they're not waterproof, but they're just plain old hatches to be picked up. And obviously they'll be under the mattress. I'm gonna have to custom build a V type of a mattress here to fit my sleeper berth, and I guess I do. I kind of need one more coat, and that's what she's looking like right now. It's pretty much just done. And my control panel, where all the wires and everything is gonna be on here, which is the back side of the helm. This is the view of inside the helm, inside the pilot house. There'll be sliding windows right here. You'll slide it, and you can get the air in, and these hatches will pop up open, and if it's too much air, you close it and get out of the rain. I haven't decided or not whether I'm going to put a windshield wiper in or not. The only thing that kind of disturbs me a little bit, it is kind of a big blind spot here in the middle. But that's if you're sitting in the middle, which you're not going to be. You're going to be sitting over here. And this is what it's going to look like. This is going to be my view. So I'll be able to see well enough, you know, definitely in front of me and on the sides. So, well, I'm definitely stoked. I definitely like the way things are turning out. I got a ton of more work to do. Obviously, I'm still building the boat. I still have to build the rear part. I'll show you. Along the stern, the section's got to be filled in, and I'll have a seat in there, and I'll think I'm going to have a seat over there. The top rail part, and obviously the motor well has to be placed in, and there's all the parts for the motor well, and obviously the hatch for right up here. That's where what they call an escape hatch. Here, we'll go through the window. That's what she's gonna look like. It's beautiful, isn't it? Okay, now we're back inside the sleeper. You probably hear the echoing. That's where the chain and the rope's gonna be, and there's a little hatch for easy access. I didn't cement this in because if ever I need to get to the windlass, it'll be easier to remove the whole panel. So I'm just gonna hold it up with a couple of screws and leave it. It's not like it's a structural thing or anything. So, you know, that's how that's gonna be. That's about it, guys. Sorry I haven't been putting out any more videos, but you know, it's the roof was kind of, you know, pretty simple, straightforward. You can see the way it looks now. You got a few patches to do, and I get the paint on. These windows are just basically up here temporarily. I wanted to get some measurements, but they got to come down, and because I still have to put it into my garage. And once I get the hull painted, I want to get the trailer over here and get this boat. I'm tired of this boat being in my garage. That's what I'm trying to say. And anyway, that's about it. So if you like this content and you want to see this boat rigged out and fully painted and operational, you want to see its christening day, the day she first kisses the water, give me all you got to do is hit that notification button and sign up and subscribe and give us a thumbs up, guys. And y'all be good.